In this video, I show you how to fix Google Maps not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google Maps, click on Google Maps. Now click on Update. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search Maps, tap on Maps, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, click on Clear Storage, then Delete. Now scroll down notification bar and make sure you enable location. Now open Maps. Now I hope that this method fix Google Maps not working problem.